Okay, new camcorder just arrived, so let's take a look at this. Okay, let's take a look at this, unbox it. First thing you need is a good knife like this. These are excellent for cutting yourself. Usually I try to avoid that though. Alright, let's see what we got here. Boom. And all right. Here's the camera. And it's a Panasonic HC-VX981 4K. Let's see how we open this. Just like that. Manual. The camera itself. There it is. Let's put this aside for a second. See what else we got in here. Here is a lens hood. Boy. And what else is in here? That out of the way. USB cable. Another cable that plugs into the camera, I'm sure, and goes into the computer. And this is looks like a cold shoe that fits in some way. It must not be on the camera at all times, probably just when when you need it. I would say that is that's for charging the battery. That plugs into the wall, and this is probably the cord that goes into that. There's the battery itself right here. And that's pretty much the unboxing. Okay, here's the test of my camera. We'll see how this looks. We'll bring it in and put it into the editor and see how it looks. Right now I'm filming with the onboard mic, the mic that's in the camera. And I'm going to put on my other mic, my shotgun mic. We'll put that on here and we'll see what the difference is in sound. From what I can see looking at the viewfinder here, the picture looks good. Okay, now this is with the shotgun mic mounted up on top of the camera. So we'll see how this sounds. There is one thing that I've noticed, that when you mount my mic, the particular mic that I have, on the top of the camera, you can't get your finger in to move the zoom in or out. There's probably a fix for that. I just need to raise it up a little bit, but other than that, we'll see how it works. Now the next test I'm going to do is with the smartphone app that should turn the camera on remotely to record. Now, I did do this in the house next to the Wi-Fi setup. Whether or not it works outside, whether or not you have to have Wi-Fi, I wasn't quite clear. And I don't know if it'll work out here or not. If it doesn't, and it stopped when I started recording. I don't know exactly what happened, but bingo. Let's see if it keeps going this time. I am outside. I am near the house, so if it's picking up the Wi-Fi from the house, I'm not sure. But anyway, it seems to be working right now. So here's the camera. Again, it's the Panasonic HC-VX981. And right back here, I was showing you, this is the cold shoe, the attachment here. If you want to take that off, there's a little button you hold down in here. Slide that right out. And I guess you put it in your camera bag or your pocket or whatever. But this is the camera. So far, I really like it. Great camera. And if I find anything more interesting about it, I'll make another video.